Hello, you guys. Hold on. Sorry, I'm drinking apple juice. And my mom just went to a Dollar Tree. Went under Webster, maybe. But anyways, we got this pizza, the microwave pepperoni pizza from Dollar Tree. I added a mozzarella cheese from Walmart and pepperoni from Walmart as well. Let's try this. I hope it's a Celeste. Not bad. Never mind. They're really good. This is a tasty. It's not salad pizza, it's different. It's just like salad pizza. But it tastes like from the restaurants like Salvatore's or Little Caesars. Either way. Not salad pizza or Tony's pizza. Like I got. Just like the Tony's pizza from microwave pizza when I was little. I used that a long time ago. A long, long year.